Good afternoon, everyone. Lugod ko po hinahayaan sa stage ang ating mga masisipag na instructor at pinakonsider natin bago ng society. Kung wala nating mga instructor, hindi ko magiging successful ang ating mga programa. So, allow me to call them: Augusto M. Corpus, Antonio Galleta, Apolonio Villamas, Armando Banal, Adolfo S. Munga, Arnolfo H. Gabatril, Gaspar Entua, Benjamin F. Cabaya Jr., Cecilio A. Lumay, Cecilio Ardeno B. Abuela, Christopher Lona, Constancio B. Abuela Jr., Dolly Green P. Advento, Edwin L. Canales, Edwin A. Cotiveros, George F. Calavera, Gilbert A. De La Pena, Gordonio L. Carino, J.T.H. Cruz, Jeremiah C. Manego, Jimmy C. David, Joel R. Morfe, George Nathaniel H. Amores, Joander Montol, Leo N. Narito, Gilbert L. Canales, Benita A. Manuel, Gaia Joy B. Lopez, Manolo C. Bocales, Marvin F. Dumalaon, Michael B. Salindo, Napoleon Caballero, Nemencio L. Cabatuando, Larissa B. Fernandez, Nomer C. Celine, Larissa M. Lau, Norma M. Noble, Peter John C. Tan, Danilo E. Generales, Raymond C. Reyes, Raymond Kaya, Rodrigo C. Obshana, Romuald P. Miranda, Ronel P. Papico, Van Erin M. Rodríguez, Virgilio E. Paminal Jr., Werhel C. Madrid, Delmar J. Duvaldo, at ang ating mga assisting instructors, Jose Ervin Prodigo, Jaime Limantino Jr., Albert M. Benfica, Bernard J. Abracia, Joseph B. Villa, Andy L. Lumao, Armando Guido, Ryan G. De La Cruz. Okay, my dear instructors, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, state your name, having volunteered to serve as instructor of the Computer Society of Filipinos International Incorporated in Saudi Arabia, and have been affirmed to serve this position thereof, do hereby solemnly swear that I shall discharge all my duties and responsibilities attached to my position and such other functions incidental to my office, to uphold the fine traditions of the society, to obey the provisions of its constitution and bylaws, policies and code of ethics, to attain its objectives to the end, and to serve the best interest of society, in particular to Filipino expatriates community in general, through the application of computer and information technology. So help me God. Congratulations.
juncture, we'd like to request the presence of Mr. Von Eric M. Marie, the VP